My name's Adam Goodrum and I have a design studio based in Sydney. The brief I received was to respond to Laminex turning 90. I wanted to celebrate kind of the evolution of the table and how it's changed over the years and celebrate Laminex as a company. The design takes its inspiration from a table called the envelope table, which came about in the Art Deco period and had these wings that would fold out. And I really wanted the element of transformation, so the colour scheme when it's closed is definitely a little bit more reserved, and I really wanted, when you opened it up, it was this surprise. And then I decided to use these warm tones that definitely reflected Australian landscape, and it just seemed to make total sense given Laminex, is such an amazing Australian company. It's just fantastic getting invitations to do things like this, and it's just been such a pleasure to work on this project.